de derrière. M'a joué musique, représenter toute yon patrie. Sans pas oublier Haïti, c'est l'âme sortie moins dit. Faut pas perdre que où c'est Haïtien. La caille non belle c'est vrai. Faut pas mentir que où c'est Haïtien. Aïe, la caille non belle, li belle. Pour nous bien tendre, que musiciens bandits laissent sa vie pour politique. Mais nous pas gain temps pour nous occuper médiocrité. Nous c'est la jeunesse, futur pays, c'est nous qui avons loin dire. Faut pas perdre que vous c'est Haïtien. Aïe, la caille moins belle c'est vrai. Faut pas mentir que vous c'est Haïtien. Tout ça quoi dans nous yo, ça c'est pour yo. Tout fanatique, c'est pour yo. C'est pour yo. Allo Wakin, c'est pour yo. Mon gonaï yo, el jazz là. Boy,
Good evening. My name is Linda Julian, and I am the 2018 City of North Miami Haitian Heritage Month Chairperson, and I'd like to welcome you to our home. Haitian Heritage Month carries a number of significant historical and cultural traditions that we as Haitians are proud to make aware of and to pass on to the future generations. Wouldn't you agree? Yeah. Since I mentioned future generations, I would like to tell you about our Haitian Heritage Month essay contest. Students from grades 4 to 12 in any North Miami public or private school are encouraged to enter our essay contest. The first place winner would win $150, second place would win $125, and third place would win $100. So I encourage you to encourage any of your students or any of your children who attend any of our North Miami schools to participate in our essay contest. The deadline is May 11 at 5 p.m. and essays are due at the North Miami Public Library. For more information, please visit our website at www.northmiamifl.gov. Again, that's www.northmiamifl.gov. At this time, I would like to introduce our hostess for the evening. Our hostess for the evening goes by the name of Dr. Floor. She is the Executive Director of the Association of Exchange and Development of Activities and Partnerships, Inc., known as AEDAP, an organization that supports micro-projects in Haiti and encourages protection of seniors, leadership among youth, partnership projects among existing organizations in the United States. Please give it up for Dr. Floor.
I'm so humble and honored to stand before each and every one of you in your beautiful city, the city of North Miami, one of the beauty city in the state of the United States. Let's go, North Miami, thumbs up. This event is made possible because of some sponsors, and we want to acknowledge Solenia, Friends of North Miami. Every time I list a sponsor, please make some noise. Mocha, Lydecker Diaz, We Sirona, Healthman, Carl, and Berman, and the Premier Choice Group. Did you visit the marketplace? Very good. Without any further ado, I'm asking you all to stand, because some of you are sitting. Welcoming Portia. Portia, where are you? Make some noise for the one and only Portia. She will doing the national anthems.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous skies o'er the rampart we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there, still there. Say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free? marchons unis, marchons unis, dans nos rangs, point de traître, du sol, soyons seuls maîtres, marchons unis, marchons unis, pour le pays et pour les ancêtres, marchons, marchons, marchons unis, pour le pays et pour les ancêtres.
We want to take time and acknowledge all of you who put your hand to make this a success today. Family members, let's take time to also acknowledge the First Lady, wife of Mayor Smith Joseph, who we saw earlier. Please make some noise for Patricia Saint-Ville Smith. Let's take time and acknowledge the students that will participate in that context. Madam Chairwoman, great initiative. The team, the media, each and every one of you, Haitian media that are here represented this afternoon, make some noise. Former elected officials, Jacques Despinos in the room. Police officers, the City of Mount Miami police team. Artists, family, friends. The North Miami City Council. Councilman Scott Galvin, who was there earlier. Councilman Alex Desulme, Kawal Keys, Philippe Bien-Aimé, all of them who stopped by and could not stay. We are proud to welcome other cities. The mayor of Miami Gardens, Oliver Gilbert, he is here. We saw also from the Miami-Dade School Board, Dr. Dorothy Mendegal, make some noise for her. Dr. Woody Moise, FIU is in the room. Many professionals are in the room, nurses, physicians, lawyers, each and every one of you, please know that you are acknowledged. Now, it gives me great pleasure to welcome Mayor, Dr. Pharmacist, Friend Smith Joseph. Please calm down. Make some noise. It's National Prayer Day. The man needs it.
I need prayer, right?
You need it.
Welcome to the wonderful city of North Miami. City on the move. Nous sommes une ville en marche, une ville en élan. A city on the move. So, nous souhaitons la bienvenue. Et je dis à ce kick-off, ces réceptions que nous avons fait, réception d'ouverture. Et dans le cadre de moi, patrimoine haïtien, que nous avons fêté dans la ville de Miami. Et ceci, c'est dans tout côté Miami-Dade County, Miami-Dade de la fête. Et je ne parle pas de quoi, je crois que je vais pile que je t'ai dit, parce que l'hymne national de la société là, il dit, dans nos rangs, parce que vous avez traite parmi nous-mêmes, parce que longtemps, pour te considérer comme un bon citoyen, pour te considérer comme un citoyen haïtien, il ne suffisait pas seulement d'être né en Haïti. Vous êtes supposé faire en Haïti, mais vous êtes supposé au monde qui a une bonne vie et mœurs, au monde qui ne va pas voler, au monde qui ne va pas mentir, au monde qui ne va pas créer division. C'est le monde qui est considéré comme un vrai citoyen haïtien. Mais là qu'on a menti, là qu'on a fait traîtrise, on a causé les gens mourir, on a causé les gens aller en prison, on ne peut pas considérer comme un haïtien. À ce moment, nous considérons deux haïtiens très conséquents de la diaspora. Premier haïtien que nous avons considéré dans la ville, dans le city on the move, c'est un haïtien qui fait parler de la culture haïtienne en pile dans la diaspora. Et plus précisément, Los Angeles, Californie, Hollywood. Là, nous avons décidé pour nous choisir deux haïtiens pour nous honorer. Mais je dis que je ne peux pas prendre n'importe qui pour m'avoir la clé de la ville pour m'honorer. Nous devons haïtiens, vraiment des haïtiens qui ont des valeurs intrinsèques Haïtien vraiment qui bien représenté Haïti pour que leur ils vont côté pour dire mes produits haïtiens. C'est pas canne à sucre seulement que nous baillons, c'est pas café cacao, c'est pas sirop, c'est pas canne, c'est pas cassave seulement. Mais nous baillons des intellectuels, des hommes de valeur, comme Jimmy Jean-Louis. Jimmy Jean-Louis, il prend avion après-midi à la Libye, juste pour faire là seulement. Nous élèvons 2-3 jours de cela. Des bons amis, docteur Woody Moïse. Il dit, monsieur, nous connaissons pas de temps, m'a filmé pour lui. Il a filmé une série de gros shows. Il n'a pas même pensé à passer, il n'a pas bon ici, parce que nous tellement civils, il n'a pas pensé à nous-mêmes. Il dit comme si vous créez les donc là, c'est vous créez les magistrats et bons amis, Woody Moïse, et bien encore c'est pour Haïtien à venir. C'est là quand même à venir. Il fly, il arrive aujourd'hui à midi, mais il est là avec nous la couilla, c'est là qu'on a pressé pour nous faire partie cérémonie par là, parce qu'il y a un vol à 8h45, il y a un vol de Miami pour retourner au Hollywood. Est-ce que ça sont Haïtiens, nous méritons pas de bravo pour lui? Sans plus tarder, il y a un demandé de Dr. Lendon parce que je ne peux pas faire gros crime ça, même si l'acteur lui-même est pressé. Même pas faire gros crime ça pour ne pas connaître qui est-ce que nous avons présenté Cléa. Nous avons demandé Dr. Lendon, bien vite, c'est capable de résumer et Bayo et M. Jimmy Jean-Louis.
Son petit lacaille. But protocol does require that briefly that we tell you that Jimmy Jean-Louis is also the founder and president of Hollywood Unites for Haiti, a non-profit organization established in 2008 with the mission to help youth in his native country. He has worked in France, England, Indonesia, Nigeria, Ghana, Mexico, and he speaks 5 languages. English, French, Spanish, Italian and Creole. Mais je dis comme c'est le pays la Kaili, la ville la Kaili, la diaspora la Kaili. Eh bien bon, petit garçon pays d'Haïti, la ville notre Miami, c'est Jimmy Jean-Louis qui va recevoir Mérita, clé de la ville de notre Miami.
Merci beaucoup, Dr. Lendon. Nous avons une deuxième clé, et c'est pour la première fois. Pour la première fois, pendant que le magistrat m'a offert 2 clés dans une seule soirée. Ceci dit, nous tenons dans le choix, un paquet haïtien qui est conséquent, 4 produits, il faut que nous prenions temps pour nous capables d'honorer. Nous avons des clés et plaques là, sont belles plaques, pour des raisons, sont clients non liés. Presented to Honorable Jimmy Jean-Louis, actor, this key is presented for your efforts, your dedication, and the value you add to the Haitian culture in the way you represent Haiti and its people. It is presented by me, Dr. Smith Joseph, on behalf of the 60,000 plus residents and the entire City Council, made of me, Vice Mayor Carol Keys, Councilman Bien-Aimé, Councilman Desoumé, as well as, I think Councilman Galvin was here.
Yes.
Where? Huh? Okay, they couldn't stay. From the city of North Miami. Now this will open all the keys in the city hall when you come in. So you won't have to knock anymore.
Well, good evening, everybody. I am extremely honored to be here tonight to receive the beautiful key to the city of North Miami, knowing that this is the place where we have the most Haitians outside of Haiti, the most populated city with Haitians in America. As an actor, as an entertainer, as a Haitian, I always try to represent Haiti as best as possible by playing the key character of Toussaint Louverture that gave me a chance to show the world what Haiti is made of, where we come from, how united we should be, despite all the political, economical problems we might have in the country. We always must make an effort to put our hands together and work together just so people don't talk bad about Haiti. Just so our 45th doesn't say the words he pronounced about Haiti. I personally was extremely touched and insulted by what our president has said. And myself, I am the fruit of Haiti, and I'm extremely proud to be the fruit of the island of Haiti. So, Mayor, the Honorable Mr. Smith Joseph, I thank you so much for thinking of me and giving me the key to your beautiful city. Even though I live in the West Coast, I will definitely make an effort to come more here and have the Miami experience. I hear it's great out here. So now that I have the key, I'll make an effort to come by here a lot more often. Thank you very much. Have a good evening, and please stay united. Haiti, united for life. All right.
Dr. Enriquez Poliard graduated in the State University of Haiti few decades ago, un jeune petit garçon. But tonight he's been recognized for his contribution to Haitian culture, for his contribution to the medical field, as he served as well as medical director of Chicago Daniel Hale Williams Clinic. He has worked also as a pediatrician at North Shore. Tonight, our second honoree, Dr. Poliard, please come to the stage. Make some noise for Dr. Poliard.
L'homme rentré ici en 1979. When I came here in 1979, many of you may not know, because many of you may have been transplanted from other states or other cities of the US and came to Miami, maybe recently. But back in 79, the early 80s, we did not have a community. We did not have a Haitian, what you call a Haitian community in the true sense of the word. We did not, but what we had was a group of people, a few people who were scattered in different parts of Miami-Dade County, namely Little Haiti, the northern part of the county, as well as the southwest area. But when I came here, I knew of only two doctors, Dr. Poliard avec Dr. Gilles-André Cadet. Mais là, en la conversation avec Dr. Poliard, monsieur ouais moi une fois et puis il a regardé moi et monsieur dit mon cher, vous pas trop beau garçon, vous êtes petit moi. Quel est le pas comprendre là? He said if I wasn't too handsome, I could have been his son. But this is a guy who's really shown true love, true affection. The guy has such an intellectual mind that you cannot begin to comprehend. When he undertakes an intellectual conversation with you, there is no telling how far that conversation is going to go. But you have to be willing, be able to really keep up with him and discuss all issues, any issues that you come to analyze and undertake with Dr. Poliard. Believe me, you will be in for a treat. I've tried him. I tried to show him a little bit of what I got from Haiti, but he showed me that I know deeply, and he knows much more than I do. So, c'est comme ça que après me fini médecine, after I finished medical school, I came back to Miami after my training. The Haitian Doctors Association was there, and I figured if I'm a Haitian, I'm a doctor, and there is a Haitian Doctor Association, I should be part of it, right? So I talked to Dr. Poliard, Dr. Moïse, who was also there, and so I became a member automatically. But I figured if I'm going to be a member, I might as well be the president. Right? And I went for president, and I became president of the Haitian Doctors Association. I mean, grâce à lui-même. He campaigned for me. I was the youngest. I think I was the youngest doctor, Haitian doctor, to ever be elected president of the Haitian Doctors Association South Florida chapter. And that's because of him. He got to show them that, listen, we may be the forefathers who paved the way for the young doctors like Joseph to come in board. But if you do not open the door to the new generation, then at one point of time, we will be obsolete, we will be like a dinosaur, and there will be no more Doctors Association. So let him in, let him take us to the new generation, let him take us to a new path. That's why I love you, that's why I respect you. And I will always ask God to give you more wisdom than you do, so that you can give me something. To that I say, here's the key to my city, but not the key to my heart. Because there is a woman named Patricia Saint-Ville Joseph. She doesn't play.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
I am so overwhelmed. Et je me demande si je dois saluer d'abord le médecin ou bien remercier le maire de notre Miami. Protocole oblige, je remercierai d'abord le maire de Miami. Et ma remercier en particulier Miami Commission, avec nos amis Désulmé, avec nos amis Philippe Bien-Aimé et tous les autres. Nous souhaitons que à qui ça, que la majorité que il faut chercher moyen avec droité pour qu'il y ait d'autres élus, d'autres médecins, ou bien d'autres amis, d'autres haïtiens, ou bien haïtiano-américains qui capent recevoir, même honneur à recevoir. Je devrais saluer Madame Smith Joseph, parce qu'elle a été partie prenante de la conjuration. C'est grâce à elle que là. Merci à vous tous. Je vous en prie. Bonne année, bonne santé. Merci.
And then please call the members of the committee who organized this event and put everything together.
Members of the Haitian Heritage Month Committee, if you're here, please come up. Daniela, Stephen, where are you? Alberta, where are you? Paola, Eunicia.
Didn't my wife do some work too?
Paul Marie.
Didn't my wife do some work?
Mrs. Joseph. Julie, and the whole squad. You guys please come up. This would not have been possible without the Haitian Heritage Month Committee members. They worked so hard in putting this event together. And just so you know, we have a whole line of eclectic events to come for the month. So I hope you guys are ready.
Lena Horn? Did you say Lena Horn? If you look to the left, as you walk in, like right at the entrance of the museum, you will see a big etalage and arrangement of Haitian products, canne à sucre, bag, and pickles, where you guys can eat whatever you want there. And also we should acknowledge the participation of Shanae Hill from the Premier Choice Group, who actually contributed greatly to the fruition of this great event. I don't know if she wants to come by, and be acknowledged. She likes to walk shelter. But she's not Haitian.
She's an honorary Haitian.
On behalf of Premier Choice Group, you guys just wave your hand if you're a part of PCG, just so that they'll recognize you guys. PCG, we really thank you for such an opportunity to be a part of such an amazing experience. At PCG, we really value culture, we value diversity, and we really enjoy unifying, creating experiences that will unify the community. Thank you.
You gotta do it in Creole.
You haven't taught me yet. No. On behalf of the city administration, I want to thank everybody for coming to this kickoff event. Shanae, your staff, our staff here for putting together a month's worth of great events. And I'm certainly looking forward to celebrating Haitian Heritage Month. My first celebration of Haitian heritage was for the bicentennial some years ago, so I've been a fan of Super Jamu since then. So I hope everyone enjoys themselves, and again, thank everyone for being here tonight.
Oh yes. Last but not least, Dr. Flor Lédor. Dr. Flor Lédor. I don't know, anytime we knock on her door, she always answers yes. Always. There is no such word as a no in her vocabulary. Thank you very much, Dr. Lédor. Please and be recognized, because you are a true Haitian. When they were defining the word Haitian, I think they had you in it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Remix style. Hey, Haïti, c'est la gagne moi. Ça fait longtemps, moi pas rentré dans le pays moi. Songez famille, songez amis qui étaient derrière. M'a joué musique.